In this video, we're diving into how to repurpose long videos into engaging shorts using Gling AI. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you create more content in less time. Today, you'll learn why repurposing matters, how Gling AI automates tedious editing tasks, and how to refine its output to match your style. So if you're a YouTuber, course creator, or marketer who struggles to keep up with short-form content, this guide will show you how to leverage AI to work smarter, not harder. The rise of short-form content. Short videos dominate social media. Platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels reward creators who publish regularly. But producing endless short clips from scratch is exhausting. Repurposing your long-form videos is a smart solution. When done right, you can extend the life of your content, reach new audiences, and reinforce your message. The challenge has always been editing, cutting out dead air, trimming mistakes, adding captions, and ensuring the final clip is engaging. That's where Gling AI shines. What is Gling AI? Gling AI is an editing tool designed to speed up the process of cutting long talking head videos into polished highlights. You see, all you do is upload your raw footage, and Gling transcribes the audio. It then identifies filler words like and long pauses and takes where you're stumbled. The tool automatically removes these unwanted segments and generates a rough cut. Now, because the edit is transcript based, you can edit by deleting words from the transcript or sentences altogether. Gling then creates a new video reflecting your edits. It also offers additional tools such as automatic captioning, noise reduction, audio normalization, zoom in effects on key points, and multi-camera synchronization. Step-by-step workflow. So here's how to use Gling to transform a 30-minute webinar into multiple shorts. All you gotta do is upload your footage to start. Just drag and drop your video file into Gling. The AI quickly transcribes the audio. The transcript appears on the left side of the interface. Review the auto cut. So Gling automatically removes long silences, filler words, and failed takes. Preview that rough cut. You'll notice the timeline has jump cuts where those segments were removed. Then edit via the transcript. So you can scroll through the transcript and delete sentences or phrases that you don't want in the final edit. For example, remove any tangents, off-topic anecdotes, or background noises. Gling updates the video in real time. You can also split the transcript into segments to create individual shorts. Then add captions. Enable auto captions. The tool generates captions with accurate timing. You can adjust the style, font, color, size, and choose to burn them into the video or export an SRT file. Then enhance the video. Use features like auto zoom to emphasize your face when making important points. Add a noise reduction filter and adjust audio levels. You can also choose an aspect ratio, for example 9:16 for TikTok, and reposition the frame accordingly. Then just export and refine. Export the edited clips directly as MP4 files, or export XML files for Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve for further editing. This allows you to apply your own color grading, transitions, and graphics in a professional editor while keeping the cuts from Gling. Tips for creating engaging shorts. So Gling really does the heavy lifting for you, but your eye for storytelling will make the difference. Lead with a hook, just as with copywriting. Start your short with an intriguing question or statement. In the transcript, move your most compelling sentence to the beginning. Keep it under 1 minute. Aim for 30 to 60 seconds. Gling's timeline shows the length of your cut. Trim unnecessary details so your short stays tight. Add context quickly. After the hook, briefly explain what the video is about. Don't expect viewers to watch a long build-up. Then end with a call to action. Invite viewers to watch the full video. Visit your website or subscribe. This turns short-form viewers into long-form fans. Use captions and graphics. Many people watch without sound. Captions help, and simple graphics like bullet points or arrows keep viewers engaged. Gling's built-in captions save time, but you can add more visual flair in an external editor. Limitations and workarounds. Gling shines for talking head content, but it's not perfect for all formats. Doesn't currently support complex multi-layer edits or B-roll layover. It's also limited in languages. It works best with English, and it may struggle with heavy accents. If your video includes on-screen demonstrations, you'll need to manually trim or reposition those clips in a video editor after exporting from Gling. Additionally, auto-generated captions might need corrections, so it's important to always review them for typos or misunderstandings. Real-world example, online course repurposing. Suppose you've recorded a 90-minute online course about real estate investing. You want to create a series of shorts for YouTube. Upload the entire course into Gling. The AI transcribes and automatically cuts out filler words and tangents. Scroll through the transcript and mark the segments that explain the core concepts, such as evaluating rental properties, priorities, or financing strategies. Then delete the rest. Use the split function to export each segment as a standalone short. Add captions and adjust the framing to suit the vertical video. In a few hours, you've turned one course into a library of bite-sized content that drives traffic back to your main offering. Audio matters. When repurposing content, don't neglect the sound quality. Poor audio can ruin an otherwise good clip, so use external microphones when recording your long videos, and consider using noise reduction tools in Gling or your editor. For shorts, add background music that complements the tone, but doesn't overpower the narration. Make sure any music you use is licensed for your platforms to avoid any copyright issues. Repurposing non-talking head content. While Gling excels at talking head videos, you can apply similar principles to other formats. For tutorial videos with screen shares, you can cut out pauses and mistakes. You can use captions to highlight key actions. For interviews, you can extract the most compelling answers and create teaser clips. Gling's workflow can still save time by providing a rough cut, even if you need to still fine-tune the visuals manually in another editor. Planning ahead for repurposing. The best repurposed content starts before you hit record. When planning a long video like a webinar or tutorial, think about how you'll later slice it into shorts. So structure your content with clear sections and concise takeaways. State each point in a standalone way so it can be extracted without losing context. Repeat key phrases for emphasis. This pre-planning reduces editing effort later and it ensures that your short clips feel coherent. Publishing strategies for maximum reach. Now, once you have your repurposed clips, schedule them strategically. Don't release them all at once. Spread them out over weeks to maintain a constant presence. Pair each clip with a compelling caption and a call to action directing viewers to the full video or a related resource. Experiment with posting times and days to see when your audience is most active. Use platform analytics to adjust your schedule for optimal engagement. Platform-specific nuances. Different social platforms cater to different audiences and have varying algorithms. On TikTok, trends and music matter. Trending sounds can give your clip an algorithmic boost. On Instagram Reels, hashtags and early engagement influence reach. On YouTube Shorts, thumbnail clarity and keyword-rich titles help discovery. Tailor your captions, hashtags, and music selection for each platform. Even slight adjustments can significantly impact performance. Encourage audience interaction. Repurposed clips are a great way to spark conversations. At the end of each short, ask a question or invite viewers to share their experiences in the comments. For example, if your clip is about productivity tips, ask viewers to share their favorite tip. Respond to comments to build a sense of community. Engagement signals to the platform that your content is valuable, increasing its reach. Learning from performance metrics. Review analytics for each platform to see which clips perform best. Look at watch time, audience retention, shares, and comments. Pay attention to the first 3 seconds. If viewers drop off there, adjust your opening hook. See which topics resonate most and prioritize similar content. Use this feedback loop to continuously refine your repurposing strategy and produce clips that get more traction. Short form content isn't going away. If anything, demand for it will grow as attention spans shrink. Gling AI helps you meet that demand by automating the most tedious editing tasks. By leveraging transcription-based editing, auto captions, and simple enhancements, you can produce polished shorts quickly. Combine Gling with your storytelling instincts. Lead with a hook, keep it concise, and end with a call to action. And you'll turn long videos into a steady stream of engaging clips. Creators who repurpose effectively will maximize their reach without burning out. So let Gling handle the cuts so you can focus on the message. So if you want to get started with Gling, we got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And it's these commissions that really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we provide in-depth reviews and comparisons of different SaaS tools to help you find the best software solutions for streamlining your business and boosting productivity. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.